this module, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of planning bills of materials. So grab your notepads and get ready to learn with me. So what is a planning bill of materials? The planning bill of material is just that. It's used for planning. This type of bill of materials is not real and focuses on an artificial listing of items that is used for purposes of planning. This type of bills of material helps with both master scheduling and material requirements planning. These planning bills usually show the historical demand as an average percentage. This helps the planner and the system to plan more accurately. Modular bills of material are a good example of a planning bill that is often used. Modular bills of material include modules. This means that the modules can be adjusted and moved around to plan appropriately. Planning bills of materials rarely include anything specific, as they are used for planning purposes only. This can be helpful especially when working with engineer-to-order, make-to-order, and assemble-to-order items. The purpose of planning bills is quite simply to simplify planning. And that's it. Thank you for joining us on this insightful exploration. Remember to stay tuned for our next adventure together. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep exploring.